No RCA jacks on your radio? You can still connect an amp in a few simple ways. The three main options are a line output converter, high-level inputs on the amp, or a speaker wire to RCA adapter. A line output converter, or LOC, changes speaker level signal into preamp level signal, so your amp can take it through RCA. It is one of the cleanest solutions. If your amp has high-level inputs, you can connect the factory speaker wires directly. This is cheaper and simpler, but the signal is not always as clean as an LOC. A speaker wire to RCA adapter can also work. It is cheap and tidy, but only if your amp can accept high-level signal through its RCA inputs. So the quick choice is simple. Pick an LOC for cleaner signal, high-level inputs for the easiest low-cost setup, and an adapter only if your amp supports it. So the clear answer is yes. You can hook up an amp without RCA jacks by using a line output converter, high-level inputs, or the right speaker wire adapter.